What's up, y'all? So today we're trying out New Creek. It took about 20 minutes to get out here. It's literally out in the middle of nowhere, off the highway, a good ways off the highway. I can already see some bobbers hanging from a tree, so people have fished this. I imagine there is some bass here. The water's super dirty, muddy. It's also raining a little bit, but not too bad, so we're gonna fish it anyways. But today I'm just gonna throw out Texas rig and my my own jig. These round heads are gonna be going on sale soon. I was sick for like 2 weeks with the flu, and then after that I ended up with bronchitis, and then after that I had to wait for my drill because I had loaned it out for a little bit. So all in all, I lost like almost a month of keeping up with these and making them. I ran out of the skirts. I do have to order the black and blues and the black and blue paint, but other than that, once I get those started in a good balance of, you know, these and the black and blues, then yeah, I'll definitely start making the little video on the release date and post it up for y'all. That way y'all can go grab them. Also, we are at 97 subscribers right now. The last time I checked was this morning. So we're at 97. We're almost at 100 marker. Once we get to that 100, I imagine after this video, I will go ahead and post up another video. We'll basically do a raffle for the winner. I appreciate everyone that subscribed or everyone's viewed my channel. We've come quite a bit of a ways from when we first started with the frog video that I first dropped. It's at the very bottom if you scroll down the list. Also, I've entered into a bass club, and I did my first tournament video. That's also why it's been a while since I've uploaded any videos or any content. I entered the first tournament. I've been practicing on them, didn't really do much recording, and then when the tournament day came, I was more focused on some new equipment that I got and trying to find the fish. I wasn't able to really communicate much with y'all. It was my first actual lake tournament ever, so first one kind of sucked. But next one's in about 5 weeks, so expect maybe 2 videos from now to drop, maybe even 3. This spawn is coming up, so there's gonna be a lot of videos just dropping, but I'm mostly gonna be throwing these bad boys. So anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and break this down already and try to catch some bass. So I'm just gonna bring me a pack of these. I have one EWG hook and one, I want to say it's like a 1/4 ounce. I mean, sorry. Yeah, no, 1/4 ounce tungsten. Forgot to bring pegs, but it's fine. And then a couple of backup craws. Which one would be easier to go through? This one. This one. Much better. Little bitty guy. Nice. This is the first fish on one of my jigs. So pretty stoked about it. Nice little fatty. Some super sharp teeth. first one on the books for my jigs. It's not a giant, but it's a nice little fat small one. Really it's a really pale largemouth bass. Well, this one's like a little bitty mouth, but y'all get the picture. Alright, let him go. And then off he goes. Nice bass. Dang, y'all, look at that. He choked it. This is like a small football. Look at that belly. Super cold. Yeah, really pale. That jig is gone. Oh, it came right out. Whoa. I'm glad I didn't mess with him too long. It really came off. Nice fat bass. Let me set this hook in there. Okay. Okay. So I figure it's gonna be either something on that bush or that bush over there. But whenever you have super stained water like this, you want to throw dark colors. But I don't have a black and blue jig of my own. I do have plenty of black and blues, but not one that I've made yet. So right now I'm just throwing a green and black, I guess it's like a green pumpkin red flake with some black in it, and then I'm throwing a natural bandito bug. So sure enough, he chomped on it. Wait, she chomped on it. She's probably full of eggs right now. That's probably why she's so fat. She's probably, since she was right there on the edge, she's probably getting ready to spawn. I guess it threw her off these past couple of days. It was just super warm weather, plenty of sunlight, and it was kind of getting them into that spawning mode. So she definitely pushed up there to the bank. But I imagine the water temperature is probably still a little warm, not too cold, but hopefully pretty soon in the next couple of days it will get warm again. You can definitely tell, yeah, she kind of put some scales off of her, but definitely. Is this a small? No, it ain't small now. What is this? Orange eyes. I can't remember which one bass have orange eyes. I don't think this is a largemouth. This is more of a, is it a rock bass? No, that's too big for a rock bass. Maybe it's a hybrid. Anyways, I'm going to let her go. Go on, girl. Go make them babies. Nice. Okay. That one was a good size bass. I like that. That was a nice catch. Mine's still good. Okay, y'all, so of course from the intro I forgot to catch some scenes, some b-roll at the creek that I was just at, so I'm just gonna have to catch them here. I haven't uploaded a video yet here. I know there's bass, and between me and y'all, there's actually like a 4-foot gar in this pond. I've seen it shoot up out of the water trying to get another fish. So anybody likes the gar fish, and try to look out here. We're at Carter Creek. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and catch some B-roll footage and then start catching some bass. Here we go. And luckily, since it's wide, it's gonna stand out a lot. A lot. Just crawl it, dip and die. Just the tip. Ooh, that looks good. That's gonna be great. There's a bass right over there. Ooh, there's definitely a bass right there. Make sure it's set, because this one could be good. Okay, alright, there's definitely one right over there. No, we hit it! Damn. Let me stay right here. Oh, I got thumped hard on that one. Yes! Come on. Where are you at? There we go. No, don't come off. Give it to me. I need that one. I need this one. It's not even that big, but I'll take it. Because, God, cuss words. This one's been hard to catch. It's not a giant like I was hoping for, but it's a nice little fat one. It's been rough. Let me see if I can catch one more. I'll give it a couple more casts. There he goes. You know what? They might be bedding. And if they are, they're going to be right over there. There we go. No! Holy crap, mother fudger. Oh, damn it. That one's not gonna bite again. Shit. Come on, get out. There we go. There's another one right here, so let's see.